in the kitchen, giving you favorite recipes and ideas. I just want to give you a simple one today. This one is some vegetables, or you can cook it off and just fry it off with some onion and bits and pieces. Thank you so much for joining to the show. We always be there for you with the best recipe, top recipe, and please subscribe, leave your comments below, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google, plus me, and get your favorite recipe. I love you all, and you guys stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching my show. Lovely and nice. So basically I have some vegetable right here which I want to fry it up, I want to cook them off, and I'm going to give you a simple little recipe where you can do this off at home and you guys will love it. So basically I got some baby corn, I got some munch bean, and also I got some broccoli. And first thing what I'm going to do is cook them off into some boiling water. That's the first thing which Chef Ricardo want to do with this one. But I believe the corn is a little bit too big, so we're going to cut them into half just to get everything format together. Alright, so this is exactly what's taking place right here. So what we're gonna do now, I got a pot on the stove with some boiling water. Some water start to boil at the moment. I'm gonna simply pop them in it and boil them off about say 5 minutes the least, not too long. So right here, this is my water I have right here. All I'm going to do is just crack a little bit of salt in the water, not too much. Just a pinch of salt, a little bit of olive oil or vegetable oil, give it a lovely look. And what I'm going to do is just pop these inside of it like this. Make sure you wash off your vegetable first, very important. And then just simply give it a little stir in the meantime. We're not going to be cooking them for long. We're just going to give them a quick boil off for about 3 to 4 or 5 minutes. Not even so long, probably about 3 minutes, probably about 3 to 4 minutes at the least. But as you can see, that doesn't take long to cook, guys, and it's just lovely and nice. All right, enjoy the recipe, and as we show you exactly what's going to take place in the next bit. All right, so nice and lovely. Now this is finished. What I'm going to do is to pour it off and show you exactly what next we're going to do. All right, guys, so this is finished now. Nice. I just finished cook it off, looking lovely and nice. So what I'm going to do now is I got one white onion I just cut up now, and I'm gonna take off the white onion with a tiny little bit of onion in it, with a tiny little bit of honey. So this is exactly what's taking place at the moment. Just one white onion, cut it up very small, and salt take it off, and then after you salt take it off, we're going to put a little tiny bit of honey, and it will bring in a lovely flavor towards it, guys. Really nice. It's going to be a really nice recipe. So what you need to do is just pop a little bit of honey on the vegetable like this. Not too much honey, just a tiny little bit of honey. When you start to take off the veg, the white onion, just simply spread it on top of it like this. And they bring in a lovely flavor towards it. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. Beautiful, guys. So enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipe like this will be coming out for the fans then. As you can see exactly what's taking place in my kitchen today with Chef Ricardo and the team. Thank you so much. I love you all, and I know this recipe is very easy. Cook off the broccoli and use vegetables and salt, take off white onion, chuck it on it, and you can have that with your dinner, rice and peas, chicken, whatever you like to have it with. You can always have it with it. Alright, guys, so enjoy the recipe and stay tuned.